This video presentation will guide the user through the process of changing the chassis graphic orientation as seen in the CMC GUI. The home page acts like a dashboard that shows details for all the components in the chassis. The image on the left of the page is a graphical view of the front and back of the chassis. The two ways to view this graphical display are Tower Mode and Rack Mode. Next, we will walk you through changing this setting using the CMC GUI. As seen here, after logging into the CMC GUI, the main landing page will load and display the chassis graphic in Tower Mode orientation, which is the default orientation. This shows the chassis as if it were freely standing upright as a tower system. In the event the chassis is rack mounted, the user can change the chassis graphic and LCD orientation from Tower Mode to Rack Mode to match the graphical view of the chassis with the physical orientation. These steps can be followed to change the chassis LCD orientation mode. The next part of this video will walk the user through these steps above using the CMC GUI. From the tree menu on the left side of the GUI, click on the front panel menu item. This will load the front panel properties page. Next, click on the Setup tab. This will load the front panel configuration page. From the LCD configuration section, click on the LCD orientation drop-down box and select the Rack Mode option. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click the Apply button to apply the new orientation setting. After the change is applied and confirmed, you can then view the new chassis graphic orientation from the main CMC GUI landing page by clicking on Chassis Overview from the tree menu on the left. When the main GUI landing page fully loads, you will now notice that the orientation of the chassis graphic is displayed in Rack Mode. This completes the process for changing the LCD orientation mode. To revert back to Tower Mode, re-follow these steps and select Tower Mode for the orientation setting and apply.